Alrighty, what do we have here? A little action fellow. What could it be? Oh my gosh. Okay. We have a Stagg EKG Plus. If you have an Akai scale, you better be rocking that Plus. Wow, packaging is beautiful. Nice little instructions there on the top. A little heart monitor here. Some directions. Feature and brew guide, always a plus. What color did we get this in? Well, folks, really simple packaging. A really well constructed box. I've been without an EKG for probably 6 weeks now. Attention. Do not fill above the max fill point as displayed in the diagram below. I don't know if you can see that. There's a max fill line right there. This is a nice touch. On my EKG, it was sandwiched in here and you have to rip it off and kind of got stuck underneath. Finish is beautiful. Craftsmanship is fantastic. Like, yeah, I like these new labels. They just peel off really easy. Just rip that one off. Bam. Really nice fit. Great quality control on that. I mean, just fits right in without pushing, but then you don't get any rattle or play in there. Let's see what this base looks like. Take off a little sticker here. Boop. And switch it to Fahrenheit. Yeah, this is great. I like this two-colored gray. My last one I think was all black right here. So it looks fantastic. Put that on. Take off our little safety dealie here. Boop. I think this plug might have changed as well. Looks like better craftsmanship. So just tap, turn it on, get the dial up and down. I set it to Fahrenheit because I'm in the US, but I need to make some coffee, so I have to open this up right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you're using a fellow Kettle. Bye.